Hello everybody, welcome to today's video, and today we're cleaning and restoring two types of boots. Riding boot, very dirty, and dancing boot, not so dirty. I'm going to start out using some leather polishing soap and finish up with my good old trusted Skidmores. I have a rag, some paper towels, ready to go. Okay, clean it before you polish it. Shake real well, and apply your foam. This stuff works really well. Oops! This is why we do it on the leather couch. If it gets out of hand, it's not a problem. Okay, as soon as you've got the foam on there, just get it on in there and get it all around. Okay, this is what they look like after cleaning. Now, dirtier boots, I just kind of put my hand in there and then clean those out. As you can see, I kind of let it sit there a little bit too long. But these boots, because the leather has not been polished and it has some issues, they will need to dry. Now, the dancing boots, they look pretty good, and they were just cleaned, but we're still going to put some Skidmores on them, which is a leather conditioner afterwards. Okay, great thing to do with your old socks. You can actually take your hand, put it inside your boot, and just cover evenly with the leather conditioner after it is dried. Okay, I like to put my hand in the boot to stabilize it and then just work all the way around the boot. That works pretty quickly. Okay, so they have a good coat on them and they have to soak in a little bit, but you can see that really is making them look almost brand new. Okay, there you go, finished product. You can see they're a whole lot shinier. The working boots are a whole lot cleaner, and those are going to last longer. The dancing boots, they look almost brand new. Well, that's because they haven't been used a whole lot, but they do look pretty. So thank you for watching today's video, and if you haven't already, please subscribe. We're putting out new content every week.